is Amazing's Dio. Today's video content is about building demolition, and the video content introduces the process and method of building demolition. You'll see how demolition workers use a variety of tools and machines to tear down buildings, and how they ensure safety. The video also explains the dangers of demolishing buildings, and how to avoid them. Workers stood at the top of the chimney and dismantled it from top to bottom. Tall buildings fell with roars, and everything was proceeding according to plan. A very professional excavator driver. Each of their steps is brought about by years of experience, which looks dangerous, but is actually under the control of the excavator driver. If the floor height is within a certain range, the building can be disassembled from below. Demolition of buildings is a dangerous job, and steps need to be taken to ensure the safety of workers. When the demolition project may cause danger to the safety of surrounding adjacent buildings, protective measures, such as setting up anti-smashing sheds or anti-collision barriers, RS must be taken, and personnel in the building must be evacuated and resettled. Before the operation, the electric wires, water pipes, gas pipes, telephone lines, etc. of the building to be demolished must be cut or removed first. In addition, people with diseases such as high blood pressure, anemia, and fear of heights are strictly prohibited from working.
又来了，杨子。
There are also some hazards in the demolition construction. For example, if the building structure to be demolished or some of its rooms were used to store detonators, explosives, fuel oil, gas, dangerous chemicals, toxic substances, and radioactive substances, there was no inspection and confirmation of these inflammable and explosive substances before the start of demolition. 1. All toxic and harmful substances have been transferred, and the remaining substances have not been cleaned up and eliminated. Fire and explosion accidents may occur due to fire sources during demolition construction. In order to meet the delivery deadline given by Party A on time, Party B directly mobilized 200 excavators to start construction at the same time and demolished a bridge in one night.
收车，收车，收车。
2